In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Revolut Business account. First, open your web browser and search for Revolut. Head to the official Revolut website and look for the option to create a new account. When prompted, select your country and double check that Revolut Business is supported there. If it is, click Continue to move forward. Next, choose your legal business type. This could be a limited company, sole trader, partnership, or another structure depending on your jurisdiction. Pick the option that matches how your business is registered, then continue. Enter your email address and proceed. Revolut will send you a message to authorize the login. Open your inbox, find the email, and approve the sign-in from there. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder, and make sure you use an email you can access quickly. Back on Revolut, enter your phone number, ensure the correct country code is selected before you continue, then enter the verification code sent to your device. Create a strong password you'll remember. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and continue. You'll now provide some personal details. Enter your date of birth and continue. Add your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents, then continue again so there's no mismatch during verification. Search for your business's legal name as registered with your local authority and continue. You'll be asked for key business details: the full legal name, the official registration number, such as a company's house number if you're in the UK or the equivalent number in your country, and the date of incorporation. Enter these carefully and continue. Then add your business address, including city and postcode, and continue once more. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue, choose the type of ID you'll use, typically a passport, national ID card, or driver's license, and follow the prompts. When ready, start the short video recording. Hold your device steady, make sure you're in a well-lit space, and follow the on-screen instructions so your face and document are clearly visible. Remove any obstructions like sunglasses if asked. Submit the recording and wait while Revolut reviews your information. This can be quick, but timing may vary. After your account is verified, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard. From here, you can see your account overview and access the tools you'll use to manage your business finances. That's it. Your Revolut Business account setup is complete.